Welcome to the Bite-Sized Security Podcast, your source for practical online security advice. Join me, my guests, and sometimes my trained AI voice, as I explore ways to protect your digital footprint against the growing cyber threats. From mastering better passwords to understanding encryption and VPNs, the Bite-Sized Security Podcast breaks complex topics into clear guidance. It's time to take control of your online presence. You're listening to the Bite-Sized Security Podcast, unlocking solutions for your digital life. Let's get to it. Welcome to Bite-Sized Security, where we break down complex security topics into digestible bits. I'm your host, Mark, and today we're diving into a topic that's sure to challenge some opinions in the tech world. Get ready for The Great IT versus Security Smackdown, a comedy in 3 acts. Act 1, The Myth of the IT Pedestal. You know what grinds my gears? When people say, security is a specialty of IT. You can't work in security without first being in IT. Oh, that's adorable. It's like saying you need to be a pro at hide and seek before becoming a bodyguard. While IT skills can certainly be useful in security, they're not the be-all and end-all. Security is its own beast with its own set of skills, mindset, and approach. Act 2. Plot twist: IT is security's sidekick. Security isn't IT's little sister. IT is security's overeager puppy. That's right, we've had it backwards this whole time, like trying to put on pants before underwear. Remember the CIA Triad? No, not the spy agency. I'm talking confidentiality, integrity, and availability. IT's basically that friend who only shows up for the in CIA. They're all about availability, while security's over here juggling all 3 balls like a caffeinated circus performer. Think about it. Confidentiality? That's all about keeping data secret. Not exactly IT's forte. Integrity? Making sure data hasn't been tampered with. Again, security's playground. Availability? Okay, IT, you can come out and play now. Act 3. The Great Org Chart Tragedy. Picture this. Your company's org chart. Where's the CISO? Probably nestled under the CEO's armpit, right? It's like putting a vegetarian in charge of a steakhouse. The CEO's all about keeping things running, while the CISO's trying to lock things down tighter than a miser's wallet. This reporting relationship is about as functional as a chocolate teapot. The CEO's agenda always wins, leaving security feeling like the kid picked last for dodgeball. But here's the kicker. In today's digital landscape, security should be driving the bus, not riding in the back seat. When security takes a back seat to IT, we're essentially telling the world, hey, cyber criminals, our door's always open. The real breach culprit. So, why do we still have breaches? Is it because companies are bad at security? Nah, that's too easy. I think it's because companies are worse at org charts than a toddler playing Jenga. Security isn't IT's mini-me. It's time we flip this org chart upside down. Maybe then we'll have fewer breaches and more. Well, probably just more confused employees. But hey, that's progress, right? That's all for this episode of Bite-Sized Security. Remember, in the world of cybersecurity, sometimes you need to think outside the box, or in this case, outside the org chart. Until next time, stay secure and keep those IT folks on their toes. Thanks for listening to another episode of Bite-Sized Security, the quick-hitting podcast serving bite-sized tips to boost your online safety. We covered a lot of ground today and easy-to-digest nuggets of practical cybersecurity advice. If you want to learn more ways to protect your data and identity online, be sure to subscribe for future episodes. We'll continue breaking down complex security topics into straightforward guidance anyone can apply. Visit our website, bitesizedsecurity.show, for recaps and show notes from all of our podcasts. We hope these bite-sized cyber lessons have given you new tools in your digital security toolbox. This is your host signing off until next time. Stay safe in the digital world. You've been listening to Bite-Sized Security.